morning.
Hi, good morning.
How's your day going? How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I'm also good. Good. You enjoy
Yes.
your day?
Yes.
Okay. So today we discuss about past daily routine. Okay.
Hmm, okay.
What I need too much. I know what is past tense, what we use past tense. But
Yes.
while speaking, I forget. But I want practice. So okay, we
Uh,
practice.
you you learned properly verb from second form. Verb की
I
second form.
I know, yeah, I know, dear. But while speaking, I forget.
No, you know that, but this is not your daily routine.
Actually, I know that, but means I need too much practice. When I do practice, after that, what automatically come.
Firstly, you write all second verb from in your copy, and you read more time. One time 2 minutes. दिस मतलब आपको टोटली वर्ब ही पढ़ना है कम से कम 20 मिनट तक डेली सिर्फ वर्ब पढ़िए.
मैं जानती हूँ कि वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म लगनी है, मुझे वर्ब याद है सभी, बस जब मैं बात करती हूँ ना तब लगाना
प्रैक्टिस.
भूल जाती हूँ.
I
हाँ.
told you, I tell you that this is the practice.
Yeah, means this mistake might clear only
Yeah.
by practice. That's why I want today we are practice our past daily routine. Okay.
Okay.
So first you tell what you did yesterday. Tell.
Uh, I have daily routine and that I follow every morning. I wake up and get out of my
Not,
bed.
not wake up. It's a woke up. When we talk
Okay,
about our past, then we
okay.
know. Yeah.
I woke up early morning and get out of my bed. Then I brushed my teeth and washed my face to feel fresh. And then I go to kitchen preparing breakfast
Not
and
go
tea.
to. I went kitchen.
Prepared, prepared.
I
Okay,
went to kitchen, then I went to kitchen.
sorry.
Okay? Okay. I did same thing. I did same mistake. Okay. Then
Okay, and then I like black tea.
hmm
And after that, I cleaned my home and take bath
not
and
take bath. It took bath. Yeah. Then took bath.
then took bath and after worshipped and after that I started my studied different classes like that science politics geography and uh, GA also because I am prepared government examination
You are
and
prepared. Yeah, you are preparing.
yeah, I am preparing government examination. Then our daily classes, and after I done my all classes, then I prepared a lunch and uh, take lunch with my husband. And after that,
Not take lunch. No, no. It's
took
took
lunch.
lunch. Yeah. Uh-huh. We
Yeah.
need much past. If our past strong, means our English good. Then
Okay. Then sometime also I listen music and some exercise, some
you
exercises.
you do did some exercise. Yeah.
Yeah, because my weight is very high. I am a 60 kg. Then I want to weight loss. Then that's why
Okay.
I am going. I did exercise.
That's why you did exercise. Then next,
Yeah.
next
Then
what?
I go to kitchen and prepared dinner. And after my done dinner, then sometime I go.
Went.
I went to study, and after that I go to sleep.
Okay. So you did lot of work. So now
Yeah.
my turn. Study. I did lot of think. I study. I did lot of work. I get up. I got up around 4:30 a.m. And after that,
You get up 4:30 a.m.
yeah, not every day, but yesterday I get up. Uh,
Okay.
every day I get up. Every day I get up 5 a.m.
Okay.
But yesterday I got up 4:30 a.m. After that, I took one glass of warm water and
Oh.
and I then I washed my face and brushed teeth. After that, I cleaned my kitchen, house, all thing, and then I took bath. After that, I worshipped God, and then uh, make then I made lunch. After that, I served
Prepared.
lunch.
Prepare. You used prepared.
Okay, both are correct. Made, prepare, both are correct. So yeah, I prepared lunch. Then I
Uh,
served lunch to my
yeah.
husband and my kids. After that, I After that, I dropped my elder son to their school. Then I came back, and again I dropped my younger son to his school. Came back home, and what I did next? Yeah, have then I took my lunch. After that, I took my not lunch. After that, I took my breakfast. Then I watched some video and edit my video, and take session with one lady, and took session with one lady.
Okay.
And after that, I what did? Yeah, after that, I again prepared lunch. After that,
Yeah.
I prepared lunch, and then I uh, went pick up man. Then I came back home and put to sleep man. What say?
Hmm.
Put to sleep say? I don't know what say. What say in English? कि मैंने उसको सुलाया. I put to sleep bed.
पुट मतलब रखना होता है.
Oh, it's a
मैं.
phrase. It's a phrase. If you say अब मैं सुला रही हूँ बच्चे को, so you say I am putting to bed my kids.
Okay.
So then I don't know if anyone knows of comment. I don't
Yeah.
know what it's called. And then I put to one bed. After that I took session with the Hati madam, because I very curious talk with her. So
Okay.
yeah, then I again went to school, pick up Prakhar, my elder son. Then I came back
Yeah.
home and took my lunch. Then I what did next? Yeah, then I took nap मतलब थोड़ा सा रेस्ट जो हम करते हैं. Then I took nap. After that, I clean my again house, like kitchen. I do dishes. I done my dishes and clean kitchen. After that, I helped my kids to their study, like their homework. And
Yeah.
yesterday I went outside evening walk. So
Helped. Helped. Helped.
Then I helped my kids, Prakhar and Man, both their studies. And yesterday I went evening walk. So I joined one lady. She speaks very good English, so I talked with her, English, like made conversation with her. And then
Huh?
I came back home, and my husband kept fast, so I prepared a dinner, like without
Okay.
what without garlic, and
Without
without.
salt and without garlic.
No, actually, I added salt, but fast salt.
Okay.
It was
Shedha
yeah,
namak.
Siddha namak. Yeah, I don't know what called in English, but
Okay.
yeah, I prepared food. Um, then I have. Then I took our dinner. After that, I talked with my husband sometime, because whole day, what happened with him, and what happened with me. So we sit together and talk to
Discussed.
each other.
Discussed.
Yeah, discussed all about. And then I watched some video, and edit video. After that, I went to bed.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, I did lot of work, and I am happy.
That's good. Yeah, I have also some mistake. I read any day and I listen all things, but I have some mistake.
We know all things. We know
Yeah,
past tense, we know present
we
tense, we
know
know
that we
future,
know
all
that
things.
everything, but we don't use na. After I
Yeah,
use after I clear.
yeah, while speaking we are forget. And when I after speaking, I realized, oh my god, I do these mistakes. So means it's
Uh,
need a practice. It's need a
yes,
practice.
I go everywhere and I thought this only for present time, not a past time.
Right. Huh.
Yeah,
So yeah,
if I thought present and future, I don't thought past. Only for
yeah.
present and future.
Actually, I don't like grammar, tenses. Don't like. But I know very well. But I don't like. When I study grammar, then I forget all things. That's why I don't study, and I don't like to study grammar. In future, maybe I study, but